Need to stop someone from viewing your content or contacting you on Instagram? Blocking them only takes a few taps and helps you keep your account private and secure. First, open Instagram and go to the profile of the person you want to block. You can find them by searching for their username or by tapping their profile if you've already interacted with them. Once you're on their profile page, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. A list of options will appear. Select Block from the menu to continue. Instagram may then ask whether you'd like to block only that account or block any other accounts they may have or create in the future. Choose the option that works best for you and tap Block to confirm. The block takes effect immediately. After that, the person won't be able to view your posts, stories, reels, or send you direct messages. They also won't receive a notification that you've blocked them, making it a simple and discreet way to protect your privacy. Whether you're dealing with unwanted attention, spam, or just want more control over who can interact with you, Instagram's blocking feature is a quick and effective solution. Done deal. The user is blocked and your account is now safer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow for more quick Instagram tips and tutorials.